Guys, this is Randolph Parker MS. Welcome to my channel. Currently, I'm going to tear down this Pyramid 12-volt power supply. Doing my last project, I know that I blew a transistor. The fuse is good, so what I did was I had my Variac plugged up to it. So I'm slowly adjust the voltage to a certain level, and then I'm going to test the functionality of it. But I know it's bad, so then I'm going to tear it down. But the cool thing about it is that I have my mobile bench where I have most of my tools that I need. That is the extension of my workbench. This is one side of the lab or the shop. But the mobile cart is where I have a handheld multimeter, oscilloscope. I have a digital multimeter. I have another multimeter with the clip, the current reader clamp. I have some hand tools. I have some more powerful hand tools like the Milwaukee if I need to tear that down. But this is where I do most of my tear downs and larger units. But right now I'm going to just tear this power supply down and see what's going on. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. This is Randolph Parker MS.